Welcome to the Faculty Multimedia Center's quick tutorial on how to use the Insta360 mobile app. This app lets you wirelessly control your camera from your smartphone, which is especially helpful when you want a clearer view of what you're filming without standing right next to the camera. Keep in mind, the Insta360 mobile app is a unified application that can be used with any of the Insta360 cameras, but the interfaces may differ depending on your particular camera model. Let's start by downloading and opening the app on your smartphone. Once installed, turn on your Insta360 camera. At the bottom of your phone screen, you will see a yellow circle with a camera and a Wi-Fi symbol. Click on it and follow the directions to pair your smartphone to the camera. Remember, you will have instructions to follow on the mobile app, as well as the camera screen itself. The number of steps depends on whether the devices have been connected before. Once the camera is connected, you should see a yellow button with a camera symbol on it at the bottom center of your screen. This will take you to your camera view. Here, you can change the camera settings to your preference. Along the bottom of the screen, you can typically switch between your shooting modes. You'll always have photo and video, along with other options depending on your camera model. You are welcome to explore all the options, but for this tutorial, we are sticking with video mode. Just above those options, you'll typically find an album icon and the record button. You may also see a timer and the exposure settings. In the exposure settings, you can stay on auto, switch to manual, or prioritize the shutter speed. You can also fine-tune the ISO, aperture, and white balance within these options. In the top left corner, you will also be able to see your battery life and the amount of storage your micro SD card has remaining. From there, at the top of the screen, you will see a bar with the words 360 degrees, which you can click to capture classic 360 media. If you click right next to it, on single lens, you will be able to capture media using one of the two lenses on the camera, making it a 180-degree image in one direction. Depending on your camera model, you may also have some additional options for adjusting colors, field of view, file formats, aspect ratios, and frame rates for videos. Once you have your camera set up the way you want, find a location to film and try it out. Place your camera on a tripod, position yourself within the environment, and tap the record button in the app. You can hide or tuck away in another room to not be seen in the shot. Just don't stray too far so you're not out of range. When finished recording, use the album icon on your lower left of your screen to view your photos and videos. If you would like to go further, the app offers built-in basic editing tools that will not be covered in this tutorial. If you would like to download media onto your phone or store it in long-term in the mobile app, press and hold onto the media file. Select Download to save it in the app, or select Export to Phone. Beware that it will take up a lot of storage on your mobile device, so we recommend transferring the media assets from the micro SD card as normal to your laptop or desktop computer. With that, you are ready to get started using the Insta360 mobile app on your smartphone. If you need help on how to set up an Insta360 camera, you can check out the videos linked below. If you would like additional assistance, please visit the Faculty Multimedia Center or email us at fmc@ucf.edu.